How to remove the background from a photo on iPhone. Alright guys, I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is to tap here on the Photos app and select the photo you want to remove the background from. I'm going to select this photo here. There we go. Now I have the photo on the screen that I want to remove the background from. So what do I do now? I'm simply going to tap on the photo. Tap on the photo. It'll darken here. As you can see, it's showing the background. To remove it, I press either on the object or the person, okay? So for example, I'm going to tap here on the boy. As you can see, the photo is already smaller, the background is gone, and as you can see, I'm dragging it here with my finger on the screen. If I let go now, I'm going to let go, it will already give me this option here to copy or share. Notice that the light appears around the image, okay? The rest was removed, so I'm left only with this image here that I tapped and selected, alright? Then now what do? I can tap here to share, I can save the image on the iPhone itself, I can copy it, send it via WhatsApp. I'm going to tap here on the option Save to iPhone. Done, I saved it. Let me go back here. I'm back. Now by tapping here, as you can see, the background has been removed, okay? The other way, let me show you. You can open Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Here in the search field, you tap and type Remove.bg. Alright, you can click. The first site that appears is already the one for removing backgrounds. It's completely free. Just click it. Now you just need to choose the image on your iPhone. I'm going to tap here to upload the image, tap here to select it from my photo gallery. Now you just have to choose. I want this photo here, so I'm going to tap it. As you can see, this photo here, I want to remove the background. So basically, I'm going to tap here to select, then tap done. The image will upload here and they're already removing the background, okay? It's really simple. This site is really fast, okay? Completely free. As you can see, the background is removed, okay? I erased the background here. Here you also have the option to add colors. Anyway, it's up to you. You can add effects and tweak it a bit more. To download, just click here to download it. Click here to check it out. It's completely free. And then you save it wherever you want, okay? Save it on your computer, send it via WhatsApp. So that's how you remove the background from a photo on your iPhone. I hope this helped. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.